Hello everyone, I arrived to Dominik Jelenc in his apiary. Now it's practically empty with his hives because they are on pasture, but he has one hive here on scale, but it's going on swarming activity, and he will do some reserve colonies from all those frames. So he will start working on the hive.
Yes.
And I will ask him what he's doing. He will tell us what everything is here. Okay.
I have the smoke like...
Okay, just this piece of wood, compressed wood.
This hive is 11 plus 3 frames. Now there's a lot of bees inside. There's strong honey flow right now, so I think there was the last time I checked this hive was the 3rd of May, and I noticed some
Pink caps?
yes, with the eggs and the just small larvae.
Okay.
And I decided that on the 13th it will be the right time to check this hive before it go to swarm outside, and I take out some frames with brood and the queen cells.
Okay.
Today is 11, but it's still okay.
Nice cap it. Okay, before they will emerge.
This is a strong hive.
Yeah, also some bark comb at the back.
Yeah, it's like very strong honey flow right now.
It's like everywhere in Slovenia, maple, it is not yet black locust.
Yeah. Because I don't have this
Extra frame to the back.
yeah, not the frames.
You are not closing it.
Yes, I don't close it. I have some extra work. There's some
eggs inside?
Yeah, no honey.
Only honey.
Or nectar.
Okay, yeah. You can stop laying even eggs in
When you fresh nectar.
Okay. Bee doesn't like the microphone. It's okay. This one bee was on microphone.
Oh, here's the queen.
Oh, she came here. Okay.
She's just laying some drone eggs. Yes.
So where you
because this is a drone comb.
On the top?
No, I will
side?
put it outside.
Yeah, maybe understand here or
because I just want that.
Because it's great that you already found it.
That's
now you
perfect.
can work very fast.
Yeah. There are still some just small larvae on the queen cells still.
Okay.
So I hope they didn't destroy the
old one.
The old ones, yes.
So that
because of the strong honey flow, they could do that too. I always start on the second place.
Yeah.
Because it's the easiest to put out, to take out. No, there are still some nice kept
okay, so
queen cells. A bit old frame, but that will change soon.
Okay, so you have queen cell there.
That's it. That's the perfect frame to take out, because it's some old brood.
Yes.
With with the bees emerging. One beautiful queen cell. So I just take this frame, put on 2
hangers.
Yes, because I have that type of frames for the new families. creating new families. Like that. I take the small hive with place for three combs, and they're just making sure that the queen cell is turned towards the
forward side and in the middle.
the co in the middle. And then I take one full
Honeycomb.
yes from the last season.
Okay. And you will shake some bees or put
Yes.
empty?
Take this one inside, close to the bees, and then I take just one
Side frame maybe. There are also a lot of brood.
Yep. But there's no
Queen cell.
queen cell on this.
So you can shake it for.
Yeah. Maybe I do it a bit different. It's the opposite way, like that.
And then you will shake inside. Okay. Yeah.
And then put this one back.
That will be for colony that will stay here.
Yep. And quickly take this one.
Yeah, back to that. Put the shaken bees.
And one
Empty frame.
empty frame. They built that last season, but putting that inside that hive, they will not.
The queen will not lay eggs.
The queen will not lay eggs, so I prefer putting frames in
Okay.
that. Oh, with some. I think
Yeah.
that's better.
And one possibility would be also to use foundation.
Foundation if you don't have that one, yeah.
Yeah.
That's one kind of done. Let's go to next.
Yeah, it's interesting. The queen is singing.